Look at that, Toby. It's leaking, mate. What are we going to do about that?
Put another one in.
Another seal? You reckon there's some seals in there? This has leaked since I got it. A little bit, but it's just got worse and worse over time. And now it will not even press anything, so we're going to have to fix that. What do we pull off to get at that, mate? Do you think? That piece? Alright. Which way?
That way.
Anti-clockwise. That's it. The opposite way of a clock. It was a very cheap press. And a very cheap jack on it. Alright, there's our problem. That seal. See that seal, mate?
Yep.
It's broken.
We need a new seal.
Well, luckily we've got one. I bought another kit. This is an upgraded kit as well. It's got another seal on the bottom.
What?
See? It's a wee bit different. Same bore and everything, same length, but it's just got another seal on the bottom there, so we'll put that one in.
But that seal is broken, that's why it keeps leaking.
Yeah, so it should last longer, this new one. What we need to do is get that pin out. How are we going to get that out, mate?
Don't know.
Pliers? Fingers.
Split.
Take that pin out of there. There. Out with the old. And with the new one. That one. That. There, that's a lot better than the old one. And they gave us a spare one as well, look. That's pretty cool, so we've got another spare one. That goes in there. That keeps the dust out of it. There, and then push that one up. Done. That plunger pushes the oil down through there and pushes this rod up. It's amazing how that little seal will lift the whole digger or the grader. Just that little seal. That's what it does all the pushing. Isn't that amazing? Yeah.
Tiny.
Pretty crazy. Alright. Go back in there. Nice and tight. Now, in theory this one should work better. And that slip pin back in.
Yep. Slip pin.
And let's test it. What are we gonna squash, right? Oh yeah. Feels pretty good. Well, we're gonna have to put some oil in the jack because we lost so much. So what we need is hydraulic oil for that, and there's a bung around the back.
Bung.
That's all sorted now. Let's see, easy as that. That only took like 5 minutes. And yeah, it's as good as new again. Sometimes you have to replace the seals in this one if it's leaking out of the top here, but this one's alright for now. Should we squash something?
Yeah.
No leaks?
No leaks.
No leaks.
Oh, squashing!
Oh, this too. That thing's on my head. Good boy. How easy is that?
Easy.
Yep.
Just squash in a can.
Yep. And not a drop of oil there. Isn't that good?
That's a weird noise.
Yeah, that's all the oil rushing back through.
Oh!
That was that tall, wasn't it? How good is that?
Oh man!
Yeah, pancake.
squashed like a pancake.
It is. And that was a $4 part from AliExpress. And we got a spare seal as well, so if it does it again, we'll just replace that seal. Job done.